Hey guys, it's me Ishaan back again, and I saw many of you are asking me to do a video on Google Ads, so I decided to make a short video on this. Hey, remember I'm still in solo ad business, but I have worked with the Google Ads and Facebook Ads for many times in my initial days, and even I have been using a Facebook ad, Google Ads for my other stuff. So here is a little bit of guide on the Google Ads that would actually help you to understand the Google Ad. Okay. So if you're looking to learn how to use Google Ads to promote your business, you have come to the right place. In this video, we will cover the basics of setting up and running your first Google Ads campaign. So let's get started. But first, let us know what is Google Ads. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is an online advertising platform that allow businesses to create and display ads on Google search results, or you can say it as SERP, YouTube, and other websites that partner with Google. With Google Ads, you can actually target specific keywords, geographical location, demographics to reach your ideal audience. Now, the first step is setting up your Google Ads account. To get started with the Google Ads, you will need to create an account, and to go for that, go to ads.google.com and click start now. You will be prompted to enter your business information and billing details. Now it's time to creating your first campaign. Okay, so once your account is set, you can actually start creating your first campaign. Now click on new campaign and choose your campaign goal. You can choose from goals such as website traffic, leads, or even sales. Now next, select the type of campaign you want to run. You can choose from search ads, display ads, video ads, shopping ad, or app promotion ads. Alright, I hope that is clear so far. The next thing is you need to do is choosing your keywords. Okay, now this is which is really important topic. Okay, so if you are running search ad campaign, you will need to select your keywords. Like, keywords are the words or phrases that people use to search on Google. Choose keywords that are relevant to your business and have a high search volume. You can even use a Google keyword planner tool to help you find the best keyword for your campaign. Now, the most important step, writing your ad copy. So once you have chosen your keywords, it's time to write your ad copy. Your ad copy should be compelling and relevant to your audience. It should also include clear call to action such as buy now or sign up today, or whatever desired action you want your audience to take. Okay. Now the next step is setting up your budget and bids. Your budget is the amount you're willing to spend on your campaign per day. Your bids are the amount that you're willing to pay each time someone clicks on your ad. So these two things are really important and different as well. So your budget be for a whole campaign, and the bid is based on per click basis. Now the next thing is the monitoring and the optimization of your campaign. So once your campaign is up and running, it's important to monitor its performance and make adjustment as needed. Keep an eye on the click-through rate, conversion rate, and the cost per conversion. And if your campaign is not performing as well as you would like, try adjusting your keywords, your ad copy, or bids. Okay, so that's how you will be able to optimize. But make sure one thing, never ever try to change everything in once. Just do step by step. Like, first time you may change the bid, second time you may change the ad copy, and third time you may change the keyword, so that you can be able to identify which are the important steps that you really need to fix. Okay, so that is for our beginner friendly guide for Google Ads. With this basic step, you will be able to create and run your first Google Ads campaign. Remember to keep testing and optimizing your campaign to get the best results. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next time. Bye for now.